Yeah, next up we have a pretty crazy, like this is a unfortunate but wild clip that took place. This was a Michigan air show jet truck. That's a truck that's powered by a jet engine to reach insane speeds faster than aircraft. And that's what it looks like. It was called the Shockwave. And there's an image of it back in 2018. It would travel around to different air shows, put on a demonstration, and race planes. And check out the size of the flame spitting out the back. I mean, it is just wild. Well, people were out there in Michigan watching the show. This thing, did I say it goes up to 300 miles an hour? 300 miles per hour.
Wow. Should race a F1 car.
In a straight line.
Yeah.
But it's not racing anything because it exploded during this race. And you got a clip here. You can check it out. So everyone's recording. You can see the flames lit. Now, the planes, they get a little head start here, or they sort of line up with one another. They're already in the air. You can see them. They're upside down, by the way, the planes. And then the truck comes in to race them, and you can see it is just flying in this straightaway. You see the little parachute come out. You see some flame, and then this confusing thing happens at the end where you saw some flames already. You see how this goes, Will? There's like some other explosion over on the left.
Is that a parachute?
There was a parachute. It didn't look to do anything. Slid off the track. Massive explosion. People know something's wrong. The smoke is pouring. But apparently what happened was there was a pyrotechnics display that was supposed to happen at the very end of the run. And that was what sort of that smoke that had already been occurring there. But at the same time, the truck appears to have exploded all sort of in one go. But people didn't immediately recognize, myself included, when I watched the clip. I'm like, wait, it looks like there's already flames happening over there before the truck even gets there.
Right.
But sure enough, the truck did explode. And you get this eerie message coming over the intercom at the show saying, everybody remain calm. Emergency crews are on their way over. Enjoy the remainder of the show. And you know when you hear that voice, that like intentionally calm voice, you're like, oh, crap. Something bad happened here.
So, sorry, there's another explosion, right?
Yeah. Yeah, over on the left.
Yeah.
Right there. It's already exploding. It was supposed to be a pyrotechnics display. I don't think it was supposed to look like that either.
So there were two accidents.
It kind of looks like it to me. I don't know what that was. Was that supposed to just be, like, I think it was supposed to be some kind of fireworks, but it looks to have failed as well. I mean, it's all very confusing and eerie, but and unfortunate. This is like a legendary truck that goes from show to show, and the driver, the owner, I guess, is no longer with us, and neither is the truck. And it's one of those things, like, this is a high risk type of profession for sure. But same time, you know, there's lots of checks and balances and safety measures and things that go into place as well. But yeah, I guess the Shockwave is no more. What a wild clip.